Now in your hands, you hold
Now, in your hands, you hold a detector, but not just a traditional one. Primero MD 15 is a comprehensive exploration platform that operates using geoelectronic science, spectral analysis, subsurface imaging, and long-range locator systems. But before anything else, let me ask you the question no one asks. Does simply having a detector mean you will find treasures?
Yes, of course. With a detector this powerful, yes.
If owning a detector were enough,
If owning a detector were enough, you'd see everyone carrying boxes of gold. Exploration, my friend, is science, not luck. A precise location, not a guess. An analytical process, not randomness. I spent years searching in vain until I found what I'd been missing, and now I'll spare you those years. The detector does not create success. Success begins when you understand what you see, where you search, and how the detector
and
works.
how the detector works. 2 days after buying
2 days after buying the detector, the famous message arrives. I searched and found no gold. So we ask him, did you use the detector correctly? What type of soil layers are you working on? Are there civilizational traces? Did human civilizations ever pass through this land, leaving behind burials, old roads, settlements, and fortifications? Is there an archaeological signature, or are you searching in a desert or agricultural land that is geologically pristine? How can you expect to find human treasures in a place no human has ever crossed?
I never think about
This is the first time I've thought about it this way.
When the soil is suitable, this detector transforms into a field geological analytical platform. It contains 15 precise scientific systems, arranged as follows. Long-range locator systems contains 3 main search systems. Manual LRL system allows customization of the frequency and defines the search range while manually analyzing signal directions. Automatic LRL system operates through automatic spectral scanning and determines the direction of valuable targets by processing ground signals. Ionic long-range detection relies on ionization tracking, measuring the natural ionization field left by buried precious metals over long periods. These systems prevent random searching and provide a direction point, an end point, and an approximate depth. Subsurface imaging systems, 4 systems. Gradio Smart System, designed to detect voids and caves, operating via ground radiometric response to identify cavities, domes, chambers, and tunnels. Live ground scan, a real-time live imaging system displaying immediate changes in ground signals. Ground sonar system, instant inspection of soil conditions to determine the presence of a target before excavation.
Three-dimensional analytical
Ground imaging system, 3-dimensional analytical imaging showing soil layers, their density, object sizes, and voids. EFM technology, 5 systems. Graph system converts ground signals into curves and waveforms, distinguishing between metal, rock, mineral soil, and voids. Discrimination system differentiates between gold, copper, bronze, iron, steel, and alloys. Pin-pointer system provides high precision in determining the center point, size, and depth of the target. Quick scan system covers large areas in a short time. Spectrum analyzer system analyzes the frequency spectrum of ground signals and produces a report on the target's type and depth. Geophysical systems, 3 systems. Auto Geophysical Scan performs an automatic scan of the 4 electrode lines and analyzes the soil response to detect the locations of water and metals, estimating their depth and density. Manual Geophysical Scan allows the expert to select a single line between 2 probes to perform a direct and rapid scan, providing an instant reading of the target type, depth, and concentration along that specific path. Imaging Geophysical Scan displays 2D and 3D imaging maps of the soil layers, showing density distribution and the zones where groundwater accumulates beneath the surface. This detector doesn't give false signals, nor does it deceive you. It provides a scientific analysis. Is there a target? What is its type? Is it valuable or not? What is its depth? Is there a void beneath you, a rock, or raw soil? This detector is here to save you from years of digging in empty ground.
So, if I understand the systems and study the site, I'll reach the target?
That's where true success begins. Not everyone who owns a detector becomes a discoverer, but every true discoverer starts with a scientific detector, a real understanding, and logical analysis. Gold exists, but not everywhere, and the detector that tells you the truth is worth more than gold itself.